How to fix WhatsApp notifications not working. In order for you to fix this issue, let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application WhatsApp. Once you are logged into your account, now head over to Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings page, you can see the option of notifications. Simply move into it. Tons of different options will be visible to you. You have to make sure that all of these options are toggled on. Once you have enabled, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, you need to scroll down and then move in your notifications. Once again, scroll all the way down and search for the application WhatsApp. Once you find it, move into it. Make sure that the allow notifications is turned on. Once done, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.